Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing congruence of triangles. We have been doing congruence for the previous two videos. Today we will be continuing with the example problems. If you still haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So we have some example questions given here. It says that below are the congruent pair of triangles. In each case, we have to tell what is the property of the congruence that we have and the name of the triangle. Now, in the previous videos, we have seen that the order of the triangle in which we write the vertex is very important. So here we will apply that concept and so we have AC from this line AC is equal to DE. So that we get it from these single lines that are there. AC is equal to DE. Then we have this one angle. Angle C is equal to angle E. And the next pair of sides are CB is equal to EF. Now you can clearly see that the angle here, the angle is in between the two sides. So what do we have? We have SAS property. But now writing the name of the triangle is really important in the correct order. So let's redraw the triangle so that we have them in the correct order and it's easier to interpret. This is angle C here and we have A and B. Now if you turn around this triangle, in this way, we have, let's take this as angle E because we have C is equal to E. And what happens to this? This side becomes D. CA is equal to CA or AC is equal to DE. So this side becomes DE and CB becomes equal to EF. So what I have done, I have just flipped around this triangle to make it look the same. So now you can say that these three are congruent. That gives us, now let's take it in the same order, A, C, B, right? Let's take in the same order. ACB, triangle ACB is congruent to triangle DEF. Now look at the say, I started from this corner. So the same thing will go on this triangle also. I start from the same corner and go in the same direction. This is, I'm going in clockwise this time. So this also will go in the clockwise direction. Okay, coming to the next example, we have RPQ is a triangle, is a right angled triangle, and then we have MNL is also a right angled triangle. So we can apply the RHS property or the right angle, hypotenuse and the side. So now what is the right angle which is equal? Angle P is equal to angle N. Then we have the hypotenuse, which is RQ. RQ of this triangle is equal to ML of the other triangle. And the last side which is equal is PQ is equal to MN, right? So we have all the three conditions which are satisfied, and now we will just draw the triangle in the particular order. So let's just draw it freehand this time, just for reference. R, P, Q, and then we have this right angle here. Then the next triangle, draw it in the same way. Now which angle is right angle? It is N. We have N here. Now RQ is equal to ML. Now you can write LM or NL, but how do you know what to write is equal? So let's see the next side. PQ is equal to MN. PQ is equal to MN, but N is already here, so let's write M here. And what is the remaining one? We have L here. So that means we have the hypotenuse here and the side here, which are equal. Now looking at them, we can write R Q P is congruent to right angle triangle LMN. So the same order and starting from the same point, same on the top. Right, next let's do the next one. We have two triangles XYZ and TRS. So just looking at these two triangles, you can say that there are three sides. It's given with these markings that three sides are equal. So it is the SSS property that we are going to prove. And let's look at the sides which are equal. We have the first side XY is equal to RT. Then we have XZ is equal to RS and ZY is equal to ST. So let's draw them in the same order. I'm just doing this freehand, so things get faster. Right, we have X, Y and Z, and the other triangle in the same way. Okay, but now we have this one. Let's just see. We have X, Y is equal to RT. Now, should we write TR or RT? Now, that's the question. Now, let's look at the second side. Okay, the second side is XZ is equal to RS. So, R is the one which is common. We have X over here. We have 2X here and we have 2R here. So, let's write R here. Now, looking at the third side, we have XZY is equal to ST. Now here ZY, we have the Z and Z same here and S same here. So let's write S and T. Now this is more theoretical which I said, or you can just imagine this to turn around and flip itself. So it will flip itself, so T will go on the top and S will come on the other side. So here we have XYZ, the triangle XYZ is congruent to triangle. Now I started from here XYZ, so we'll have RTS. So in our next example, we will be looking at two triangles which has two angles and one side. So you can guess which property we are going to look at. It's going to be ASA because we have two angles and one side. So now let's look at what are the two angles which are equal. So first angle we have, let's take the angle E is equal to angle N. Then what is the side which is equal? Let's always remember that the side has to be in between the two angles. EF is equal to MN, right? Or let's write it as NM. Let's write it as NM. Why? Because E is equal to N, right? And then we have angle F is equal to angle M. Now this is reordering the triangles. We have D, E, F. We have E and F angles and EF the side. So the next triangle we have E is equal to N. So we have N here and M over here and NM is equal and the remaining angle is P. So this is a really simple example. We have triangle DEF I have started from the top and gone in the anti-clockwise direction. You can go in the clockwise as well. Is congruent to the triangle PNM. So coming to the last question of today, we have a very interesting question. This states that we have two triangles ABC and ADC. Now before doing anything, let's just draw these two triangles so that they look like triangles. Alright, so I have the first triangle and another triangle. Right, so these are two triangles, and the first one, let me just make this as the top. So I am imagining that I have turned this triangle around. This will be B, right? B, A, C. Now what is the angle of triangle B? Is, sorry, the angle of B is 70 degrees, A is 50, and C is 60. Now same way, I am going to turn around and make D on the top. D, and then we have C on the right side and then A on the left side. So D is again 70, C is 60, 60, and this is 50. Also we don't have any property called AAA, right? We cannot have the property of AAA, because if you take two equilateral triangles, now imagine two equilateral triangles, right? This is an equilateral triangle. The next one I'm going to draw is also an equilateral triangle. Now, you know that angle, equilateral triangle, the angles are 60 degrees each, 60, 60. This is also 60. But you can clearly see that these two are not equal. So that's why we don't have any property of AAA. So now we have to prove that we have to check if these two triangles are equal or not. Now we have one side, you can see this side AC, which is common to both the triangles. That means it has to be equal, right? So we have CA equal to AC. Okay. Now we can prove that these two triangles are equal when we have 60 degrees, 50 degrees, there are same, the angles are same, 60 and 50, they are same. Now we have to only check for the order of the triangles. So let's start with angle C on this side, on the left side here. Angle C is equal to angle C, of course. Angle C is equal to angle C on this side. Then we have angle, the side AC. So we have AC equal to AC. And then we have the next angle, A is equal to A. So angle A is equal to angle A. Now the same two triangles, I will redraw them so that I fulfill the conditions. Let's say, let's make this CA. We'll keep the first one as it is, right? BABC or BAC. Now we know that B is equal to D. So D remains as wherever it is, D. The only thing here is A, C is equal to C, right? So C, we have flipped this triangle and this becomes CA. So now writing, which is the property that we have done here? It's ASA, angle, side, angle. Now what is the names of the triangle? Let's start from the top. BAC. Triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DAC. So this order here is really important. So in this video, we saw how to prove the congruence of triangles using the properties that we have, the SSS, ASA, SAS, and the RHS property. And the ordering of the triangles is really important. So I hope you like my video, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in the next video.